In the last video I showed the engine installed, but all of the steel, or most of it, was only tack welded into place. So I had to take everything that was steel back out, take it all apart, finish weld everything, clean it, and prime it and paint it. So here we go, everything's welded and painted and ready to go back together. It is 83.5 degrees in my garage. Little hot day to be working, but I got everything reassembled. Transmissions are back in. Now everything's finished welded and painted. Engine's in. You can see it back there. And all the engine bracketry is all bolted up, ready to go. And then what I did was measured for my main drive belt. So that tape measure is where the belt will go. So it goes around that pulley. I put some belts in there just to fill the grooves of the pulley so the tape would wrap around the pulleys. But anyway, then around the other pulley, and then back to the engine. So it looks like I need a 183-inch belt. And I'm gonna put an idler pulley right here on a spring tensioner to keep tension on it. So if it's an inch or two longer, it'll be fine. That'll keep tension on it. And even when the chassis is flexing and stuff. So that ought to work. All right, a little bit of progress. We got, what, 5 weeks to go to the 4th. All right, thanks for watching.